Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath. College selection for GPAT qualifier. These guidelines will help you, I hope. Okay, yeah. Uh, GPAT qualification is very big achievement, no doubt in that. No doubt in that. And this is the right time to select a very good college, excellent college. There will be a definitely $1 million question will be there in the student's mind, which college I have to select. Yeah, it's confirmed. There is no doubt in that. All students are thinking of that which college is best. Yeah, and it is a lifetime only once. It is a lifelong remember where you have studied the M pharmacy post graduation. It is a lifelong remember because you cannot come back and you cannot complete the M pharmacy again. Okay, one time it is one time. Okay, so here I have shown the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. It is popularly known as a NIPER. If you open the website first page itself, we can find this NIPER. We can find this NIPR. It is a national institute. National institute dedicated for pharmacy only. And also it is a government, central government only. It is maintained by the central government, NIPER. Okay. I will tell you regarding some NIPER details and all. So these are the points what I am going to cover in the NIRF rankings, recent NIRF rankings. It is a government, central government, not the state government. Central government is giving the rankings to the all institutions, private institutions as well as the government institutions, government universities and all. Central government is giving a ranking every year. That we will see. It will be helpful to the students to select a good college. And the reimbursement, what about 2020, pre 2020 and post 2020, some changes are there. That update I will tell you. Okay, I will show you the GO also, Supreme Court order also in this video, so that there some little precaution is needed. And is there some students are asking that, sir, is there which is equivalent to IIT? For engineering, IIT is there. In pharmacy, is there any institution like that? That point also we will cover. And students, same students, they are asking that is there either PCI has its own college like that? It was also a doubt, okay, revealed by the students. And equivalence of specialties. If I will do pharmaceutics, what happen? If I will do industrial pharmacy, what happen? Pharmaceutical technology, what happened. So some equivalence groups made by the PCA. That also I will show you the order of the from the PCA. And the campus placements, more or less, almost all top colleges are having a very good placements in that. There is no doubt. Very good colleges, universities, reputed. Almost all top colleges are equal. Plus or minus one or two may be there. Some little difference may be there. But it is very good in the pharmacy field. Definitely there will be a placements will be there. And students safety area, some that depends upon the state situation, that and all, that is your personal opinion, and you can be watch, and you can be this living cost also, living cost atmosphere, that is also depends upon your personal income or whatever it may be, that and all you have to take care of that. So here I will cover only the first 5 points which are highlighted with the reading, that only I will cover you. Yeah. NIRF rankings, National Institutional Ranking Framework. It is a NIRF. So these ranks are given by the central government, Ministry of HRD, MHRD we are calling in the short form, Ministry of Human Resource Development. These persons, Government of India, it is nothing but Government of India, they are giving the NIRF, that is a ranks to all private, all government, universities, colleges or institutions, whatever it may be. Okay. Not only for pharmacy, it is for engineering and all, for all MBA, MBR, like that it is maybe given. But we are here, we are bothering about only pharmacy only. So this is official website, there you can find the thing. So it is not private survey, it is not survey by some other agencies like that. It is a government only, ranking is given. NIRFindia.org 2020 pharmacy ranking. This is around a 2020 pharmacy ranking HTML. This is official website. From here you can be download the list, complete list. Okay, there you can find the rank wise, state wise also. If you want, you can be get it however you want. You can modify the tabs will be there, you can modify, and you can be take a printout of that. And see here, currently it is practicing this, they are giving annual ranks. Every year they are giving a ranks, every year. This is current practice. In future, we don't know. Either it may be give 2 years once or 3 years once. Future, we don't know. But it is currently it is practicing annually. And it is allotted by the central government, MHRD. Ranks for both government and private colleges or institutions, universities, etc. and all. They ask all institutions to apply for a NIRF ranking. Public statement will be given in their website, so that all the colleges, they will make their regarding the college, they will submit to the NIRF. Okay, they will ask all the institutions to apply NIRF rank. So institutions will provide the data to the central government. No physical inspection so far. This is current practice. They are central government people. They are not. They are coming to college. They are checking. There is no such a physical inspection. Ranks are based only on the data which they have provided by the college. If some colleges are there providing a pseudo data, that is a fake data, there will be definitely corresponding respective action will be there, serious action by the central government. It is sure. Okay. So no physical inspection. This is a current practice. In future, central government people may come and inspect the college based on that NIRF rank may be allotted. That we don't know. Okay. And visit above website for further detail. This is an official website that you can be find out that. And this is the list India rankings 2020 in pharmacy only. This is a document I downloaded from the same website only. First one, here you can see the Jamia Hamdard University. It is New Delhi. It is city is here New Delhi. Here you can find the state also, in which state. Here they can find the corresponding score of the institution here rank wise. If you press the here rank wise means if you press on the state, you will get alphabetical. You will get alphabetical. So like that, here you can see the tabs city wise, which is you want the city, you can press here so that you can get automatically according to the city. Okay, capital that is alphabetical order program like that. Okay, so Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi, it is a top one at present. It may be all the ranks may be changed, that we don't know. This is this data. Punjab University is in the second, Chandigarh position, and NIPER. I told no NIPER, NIPR. It is a national institution, central government institution. Mohali, which is located in the Mohali. NIPER branches are there, 5 to 6 branches are there. Just this is Mohali, NIPER, and this is NIPER Hyderabad, and NIPER Ahmedabad, and the NIPER Guwahati, like that. See here, all these are the NIPER branches only. This is a third rank, and Institute of Chemical Technology, that is nothing but ICT in pharmacy division will be there, Maharashtra. And the national initiative, this is a NIPER Hyderabad. This is a 5th rank. Here you can find all the ranks, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So here you can see up to 17th you can see. And here you can see JSS College of Pharmacy, 9th. And the JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore is also there. It is comes under JSS University now. Okay. And NIPER Guwahati, Annamalai University. So it is around 12, where I have completed my post-graduation, Annamalai University. And SVKM, Maharaja Shivaji Rao, and Amruta School. I think owner is Amma. She is a founder, Amruta School of Pharmacy. And Birla Institute of Technology, BITS Ranchi. You can find the BITS Pilani also. Here you can find the BITS Pilani, 6th rank. And this is a BITS Ranchi. Nirma University. This is also a good university. I visited the Ahmedabad. Okay. It is there in the Gujarat. They are the producers of previously the Nirma soaps and Nirma surf and all. They are only the producers. And this is also NIPER Raebareli. It is a 18th rank. Like that, you can go on that. Amity University is there. Pune College of Pharmacy, Pune, Punjab University, Bombay College of Pharmacy, 24. Like that, all these ranks you can take a printout, because it is not possible to tell all 100 here. Okay. So that this is also continuation up to that 41 I have shown here. You can take the printout later from the website. Okay, official website, and you can go through. It will be helpful. This is only as per the NIRF only. Depending upon the safety of the state, that and all, that's your wish and your thinkings and all. Yeah. And number 2, one is the important is regarding the reimbursement. Some students are asking, not some students, number of students are they are aware of this, and they are asking that pharmacy institution situation Pre-2020, post-2020 is some little bit difference is there. That difference we will see. See, pre-2020 dual control. All pharmacy colleges are controlled by AICTE as well as the Pharmacy Council of India. Both they are controlling. That is by the previously pre-2020. Dual control we are calling as a 2. So dual control is there. And fighting for mono control. For some pharmacy colleges are they fighted together. We want only the Pharmacy Council of India control. We don't want AICTE control like that. They went to the issue was went to Supreme Court also. So Supreme Court has given a order. That order also I will show you what that order that and all we will see. See what is the Supreme Court has given. PCI control is mandatory. PCI approval is mandatory. Whereas a AICTE approval, it is an option for the college. It is an option for the college. If college are interested, they can go for AICTE approval also, but it is not mandatory. Like that, clear cutly they have mentioned. So that what happened, AICTE has given a this one, All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE. They shown this order here in compliance with the Honorable Supreme Court order as on. That's why here I made 2020, pre-2020, post-2020, 5/3/2020. PCI approval for pharmacy institution is mandatory. However, interested institutions, see here, interested institutions may obtain AICTE approval. Interested institutions. So that depends upon that. So now what is the situation? Some of the pharmacy colleges having a both AICTE as well as the PCI approval. Whereas some pharmacy colleges, few pharmacy colleges, they have only PCI approval. They wrote a letter to the AICTE like that. We don't want like that. It was there. So I don't know that few colleges that you have to check for GPAT only. GPAT qualifier because your reimbursement will come from the AICTE. Okay. If college is not approved by AICTE, you may not get the reimbursement. That is very, very important point. You before joining, go to the college, you ask them directly, sir, what is my situation? Either I will get reimbursement or not. That is, you have to discuss that point. So inquire properly before joining for your reimbursement. That is one of the important thing what you have to keep on. This also available in the internet, or you can take a screenshot also, no problem. It is already available in the AICTE website. In the Google also you can be find directly Google images, you will get this is also. And yeah, very important question is in the engineering section, when we will see all engineering students, they will always say IITs, they will give a first preference. That no doubt in that. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. And what about NIT? NIT is nothing but National Institute of Technology. It is also there. But first preference, they will give a Indian Institute of Technology. Then what is the difference? Indian Institute of Technology, always it is a top. National Institute of Technology, the students will give, engineering students will give second preference to the NIT. National Institute of Technology. That is also more than 6 or 7 are there in NIT and all. Okay. So is there any pharmacy equivalent to IIT? So you can check IIS, Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science. Here inquire for pharmacy department or like that, you can go to the website and you inquire it. So it is IIC here, Indian Institute of Technology. This is Indian Institute of Science. Here NIT, National Institute of Technology, whereas a NIPER, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Pharmaceutical and Educational Research, NIPER. Okay, Pharmaceutical Education and Research. NIPER. This is national, both are start with N here. National. Whereas here you can see IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, here Indian Institute of Science. It starts with the Indian, okay, whereas it starts with the nation. So it is established by nation only, Indian nation. Okay, that's why they have given the name. And the remaining third one is that depend upon this. And generally, keep in your mind, central government jobs. Central government. Generally, they will prefer the, in the oral interviews and all, they will prefer the central government because panel members are from central government only. Central government only will appointment the panel member. They will do the interview for central government job. Job is also central government. Panel is also central government. So that's why in oral interviews, that definitely they will prefer the NIPER students only because the national institution and IIS. If IIS is there in pharmacy, they will prefer IIS. That is a preference will be goes to here pharmacy is not there. Okay, as per my knowledge, you can be check it in your website. In NIPER, we know, everybody know NIPER. Okay. So definitely there will be an importance will be there. Okay. And you check the colleges which is having a strong alumni and which are helpful alumni, that and all you can be check on your own. Okay. So if you open the website, you will get a NIPER. You will get all the photos like that. This image is I got from website only, the official website. Okay, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. This is SAS Nagar, Mohali. It is the first one. Here also you can know what is about them. Here you can see it is around 130 acres. It is there in the Punjab. Okay, it is established by who established the NIPER. Here they will mention this institution who. Okay, like that you can be go through the website, and some students are a query, very important query, that either PCI is having its own college. Actually, PCI now, as it doesn't have any own college. PCI is Pharmacy Council of India. It is giving approval to all pharmacy colleges. This approval is mandatory. Really hats off to the Pharmacy Council of India, doing a very good, excellent job. We have to accept that. Very good. Pharmacy Council of India showing very good efforts. And these Pharmacy Council of India, that is president, the respected Dr. B. Suresh Garu. He is Vice Chancellor of JSS University. Very dynamic leadership. JSS is going rocking. Okay, that we know very well. And this is some specialty, equivalence of specialty subjects of M-Pharmacy and qualification of teaching faculty. PCI has given what are the some related or equivalent. They made equated, because in the teaching field especially, this is for teaching faculty, but industry also not a problem. Even though you completed in the pharmaceutics, those are working in the analytical department. Those who completed for M-Pharm analysis, they are working in the production. Like that, many situations are there, many examples are there. No doubt in that. Okay, if you, there is no much difference in the PG level, and not much differences. Okay, most of the employees working in regulatory affairs department, they completed M-Pharmaceutics only, but they are working in regulatory department. Like that, many situations are there. That depends upon the company, etc. and all. In the teaching field, they have given pharmaceutics is almost, these are all equal to pharmaceutics only. Pharmaceutics, industrial, pharmaceutical technology. One or two subject or three subjects, maybe there may be a little difference, maybe there. There is no major difference. So that's why they have made equated. Okay, regulatory affairs, pharmaceutical biotechnology, quality assurance, they made it almost equal. And pharmaceutical chemistry, you can see here, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, quality assurance. It is almost equal to pharmaceutical chemistry. Like that, they are equated. This is, you can be get it from PCI website itself. Nobody will ask you. There is no password. Just you can open the website. It is open for all. Open for all. You can go through the circular and you can be download the thing. Okay. Pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy. Here you can see M-Pharmacy, phytopharmacy and phytomedicine. Almost are equal. And pharmacology, it is a separate. And pharmacy practice, hospital pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, pharma D, almost all are same, like that. Okay, they have made equated that. So I will end my video here. You can watch in my channel's playlists, all subject wise, you will get videos, right? Thank you.